As a doctor, talking to a camera can feel weird. You may feel very confident talking to patients face to face, but not very comfortable speaking on camera, or simply you don't have the time. Don't worry, with these 5 steps, I'll make you feel like a pro in no time. Interesting fact, 80% of people would rather watch a video than read text. That means your patients actually want to see you on video. So let's make sure you look and feel like a pro with these 5 easy tips. Tip number 1, start small. First things first, start with short, simple videos. Answer a patient question like, can stem cell therapy help as an anti-aging treatment? Boom, done. Think of short videos like an espresso shot. Quick, strong, and they leave an impression. Plus, studies have shown viewers retain 95% of video's message versus just 10% from reading. The shorter and more engaging, the better. Tip number 2, use a teleprompter. If remembering what to say feels harder than med school exams, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the teleprompter. Think of it like a karaoke, but instead of singing, you're explaining treatment plans. There are apps you can download on your phone or tablet to scroll text smoothly. This helps remove the ums and ahs or the deer in the headlights look when you forget your train of thought. Remember, 84% of consumers say watching a video influences their decision to use a service. Now, let's go to tip number 3. Talk to your patients, not to the camera. Here's the secret. Pretend the camera is one of your favorite patients. You know, the one who actually listens and doesn't question you about things and reference Dr. Google or Dr. ChatGPT. Picture their face and speak to them directly. It makes your tone more natural, engaging. Keep it warm and personal because, let's be honest, nobody wants to feel like they're watching a medical lecture. And a bonus tip, smile. A smiling doctor is way less intimidating. And fun fact, videos and landing pages can increase conversion rates by 80%. So video. Number 4, get the right equipment. A shaky, echo-filled room screams amateur. But good news, it's an easy fix. Use a wireless microphone. Great audio matters more than great video. A great quality wireless mic removes background noise and makes your voice crystal clear. Trust me, your viewers will thank you. Use a gimbal. This keeps your phone steady while you move. No more wobbly footage. If someone's filming you while you're walking, this is a game changer. Attach your phone to a tripod. Want a stable, professional shot? A simple phone tripod instantly upgrades your video quality. And then there's lighting. Lighting makes a huge difference. Natural light is excellent, and you may consider a ring light for more even lighting. Number 5, embrace the bloopers. Nobody nails it on the first take. Mistakes happen. You'll mispronounce words. You'll forget what you were saying. Exasperate, but that's the idea. You can just redo it and try again. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Patrick, but I don't have the time to figure it all out myself. That's where we come in. At Lumera Marketing, we help doctors and clinics create professional videos that are educational, engaging, and attract the patient. From scripting to setup to editing, we handle everything. So you can focus on what you do best, caring for your patients. Want help getting started? We offer consulting and can even produce your first set of videos for you. So check the link in the description or visit lumeramarketing.com to learn more.